What size belt does a Woods RM306 mower take? Woods manufactures a variety of agriculture, lawn and excavation parts and accessories. The RM306 mower is an older model, rear-mount finish mower that is no longer manufactured. The RM306 was available in 3 models and attaches to the back of a tractor. Although the mower is no longer manufactured, the belt can be purchased from an authorized Woods retailer or lawn, tractor and garden parts distributors. Part numbers. Retailers that sell the belt for the RM306 models generally use the part number designated by Woods. The part number for the belt on the RM306 model is 24102. For the RM306 model, the part number is 31666, and the RM306 Model S part number is 33710. Sizes. Among the 3 models, the belt sizes differ. The RM306 Model S belt is 7/8 inch by 233.7 inches. The RM306 Model S belt size is 5/8 inch by 217.5 inches, and the RM306 model uses a 5/8 inch by 177.3 inch belt. Genuine or replacement. Because the Woods RM306 mower is no longer manufactured, the belt may be a replacement part rather than a genuine Woods part. Although the belt isn't manufactured by Woods, it works similar to the original part. An authorized Woods equipment dealer can suggest the best replacement belt for your mower. Belt. The belt on a RM306 mower drives the mechanisms to operate the rotary cutting blades. The long belt wraps around at least 7 mechanisms and requires a half twist and a full twist at 2 locations in the belt routing. Woods suggests adjusting the new belt every half hour during the first 2 hours of use, then adjusting the belt every 8 hours thereafter.